Skip to content. Cookies on www.hse.gov.uk. We use some essential cookies to make this service work. We'd also like to use analytics cookies so we can understand how you use the service and make improvements. Accept analytics cookies, reject analytics cookie. View cookies. Menu. Search X. Search hse.gov.uk. Search hse.gov.uk. Times. Search. Industries. Construction. Health and social care services. Pesticides. Domestic gas. Public services. Agriculture. Entertainment. Waste management and recycling. Motor vehicle repair. Offshore oil and gas. Industries A to Z. Topics. Basics for your business. Ritter. Kosh. Display screen equipment, DSE. Asbestos. Work equipment and machinery. Stress and mental health. PAT testing, portable appliance testing. Work at height. Coma. Topics A to Z. About house. News. Sign up for free updates. Contact us. Information in other languages. Our mission and priorities. Careers. Products and services. Books and products. Training and events. Testing and monitoring. Research and consultancy. Help us to improve the website, give your feedback. Home. Topics. Stress and mental health at work. Management standards. Management standards. Open stress at work menu. Stress at work 1. Causes 2. Signs 3. Risk 4. Employees 5. Mental health. Stress at work. Mental health. Overview, mental health 6. Mental health for employees 7. Mental health for line managers 8. Management standards. Stress at work. Management standards. Overview, management standards 9. Before you start, prepare the organization 10. Step 1, identify the risk factors 11. Step 2, who can be harmed and how 12. Step 3, evaluate the risks 13. Step 4, record your findings 14. Step 5, monitor and review 15. What to do next 16. Do I have to follow the management standards approach? 17. Suicide prevention 18. Case studies 19. Reporting a concern 20. Resources 21. Step 5, monitor and review. Step 5 of House's management standards approach is about reviewing the actions you take to tackle any identified causes of work-related stress. Monitor, review your action plan to ensure the agreed actions are being implemented. Evaluate, check if the solutions you have implemented are effective. Decide what further action or data gathering is needed. If the solutions are not working, what else can you do? If the solutions are working, can they be rolled out across other parts of the organization? Monitor and record progress against your action plan. You should periodically check that agreed actions are happening, for example meetings or particular activities are taking place. Make a record of this progress against your action plan. Evaluate the effectiveness of solutions. The timescale for your evaluation will depend on the solutions you have developed. How long actions take to deliver their expected measurable outcomes can vary greatly. The timing of your reviews will depend on how long it will take to implement each action and how long the focus group and the steering group expect it will take to have any impact. If it becomes obvious that the solutions implemented are not working, don't wait for the next scheduled review but take action as soon as possible. Methods of gathering information and data. Which methods of information and data gathering you use to evaluate the effectiveness of your solutions will also depend on the kind of solutions you have developed. You should ask your employees whether they feel the solutions have improved the situation or not. You may find it useful to use a mixture of approaches to consult staff, for example. Set up meetings to review progress on major actions. Have regular sessions with your staff to talk about sources of work-related pressure, for example, as part of team meetings. Check with unions or staff representatives. Make use of informal contacts with staff to ask about the effectiveness of solutions. Another way to demonstrate the effectiveness of your plan is to collect data on, for example, employee turnover, sickness absence, and productivity, and see whether things have changed from when you gathered this data at the start of the approach. Don't expect an immediate change. Some solutions you put in place may have quick results, others may take time to bed in and have an effect on things like productivity or accident rates. Follow-up surveys. If you carried out a survey as part of the approach, you may want to repeat it. The management standards approach suggests that you do this after a period of time, as part of the continuous improvement model. You may wish to set this up as an annual survey or as part of an annual survey. Remember, this isn't the end of the approach. You need to build on the results. Things seldom stay the same, and changes within the workplace may result in further issues. So even if you have significantly improved your stress management and reduced the impact of work-related stress, you still need to review it and reassess the risk to ensure it doesn't recur. What to do next? 22 gives advice on reviewing your organization's policies and procedures in the light of the findings from your risk assessment. Back to top. Related content. How to tackle work-related stress, a guide for employers on making the management standards work, PDF. 23. Is my risk assessment approach suitable and sufficient? Equivalence checklist, PDF. 24. Link URLs in this page. Stress at work www.house.government.uk/stress/index.htm. Cost www.house.government.uk/stress/causes.htm. Signed www.house.government.uk/stress/signs.htm. Risk www.house.government.uk/stress/risk-assessment.htm. Employee www.house.government.uk/stress/help-employee.htm. Overview. Mental health www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth.htm. Mental health for employees www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth-employees.htm. Mental health for line managers www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth-linemanagers.htm. Overview. Management standards www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/index.htm. Before you start, prepare the organization www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/before.htm. Step 1. Identify the risk factors www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step1/index.htm. Step 2. Who can be harmed and how www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step2/index.htm. Step 3. Evaluate the risk www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step3/index.htm. Step 4. Record your findings www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step4/index.htm. Step 5. Monitor and review www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step5/index.htm. What to do next www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/what next.htm. Do I have to follow the management standards approach? https://www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/doi.htm. Suicide prevention www.house.government.uk/stress/suicide.htm. Case study www.house.government.uk/stress/case studies/index.htm. Reporting a concern www.house.government.uk/stress/reporting concern.htm. Resource www.house.government.uk/stress/resources.htm. What to do next www.house.government.uk/stress/overview.htm. How to tackle work-related stress, a guide for employers on making the management standards work www.house.government.uk/pub/ind430.pdf. Is my risk assessment approach suitable and sufficient? Equivalence checklist www.house.government.uk/stress/assets/docs/checklist.pdf. Is this page useful? Yes, no. Report a problem with this page. Footer links. Industries. Construction. Health and social care services. Pesticides. Domestic gas. Public services. Agriculture. Entertainment. Waste management and recycling. Motor vehicle repair. Offshore oil and gas. Industries A to Z. Topics. Basics for your business. Ritter. Kosh. Display screen equipment, DSE. Asbestos. Work equipment and machinery. Stress and mental health. PAT testing, portable appliance testing. Work at height. Coma. Topics A to Z. About house. News. Sign up for free updates. Contact us. Information in other languages. Our mission and priorities. Careers. Products and services. Books and products. Training and events. Testing and monitoring. Research and consultancy. Search. Copyright. Cookies. Privacy. Accessibility. Disclosure of information. Vulnerability disclosure. All content is available under the Open Government License v3.0, except where otherwise stated. Updated November 23, 2021.